Hello. Today, we will make our own sanitizer. Here are some methods on how to make your own hand sanitizer at home. When it comes to preventing the spread of infectious diseases like COVID-19, or known as coronavirus, nothing beats good old-fashioned hand washing. But if water and soap aren't available, your next best option, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC) trusted source, is to use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol. Properly scrubbing your hands is one of the best ways to stop the spread of germs and viruses, and to ensure you don't get sick yourself. But if you don't have access to soap and clean water, or if you're out and about and nowhere near a sink, you should carry hand sanitizer to protect your health. What ingredients do you need? Making your own hand sanitizer is easy to do and only requires a few ingredients. Here are the ingredients you need. 1. Isopropyl or rubbing alcohol 99% alcohol volume. 2. Aloe vera gel. An essential oil, such as tea tree oil or lavender oil, or you can use lemon juice instead. The key to making an effective, germ-busting hand sanitizer is to stick to a 2:1 proportion of alcohol to aloe vera. This keeps the alcohol content around 60%. This is the minimum amount needed to kill most germs. As you're no doubt aware, bottles of hand sanitizer Purell, wet ones, and the like, sell out quickly during public health crises. But don't worry, making your own hand sanitizer is remarkably easy. You just have to be careful you don't mess it up. Make sure that the tools you use for mixing are properly sanitized, otherwise you could contaminate the whole thing. Also, the World Health Organization recommends letting your concoction sit for a minimum of 72 hours after you're done. That way the sanitizer has time to kill any bacteria that might have been introduced during the mixing process. If you are making hand sanitizer at home, please follow these tips. 1. Make the hand sanitizer in a clean space. Wipe down countertops with a diluted bleach solution beforehand. 2. Wash your hands thoroughly before making the hand sanitizer. 3. To mix, use a clean spoon and whisk. Wash these items thoroughly before using them. 4. Make sure the alcohol used for the hand sanitizer is not diluted. 5. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly until they are well blended. 6. Do not touch the mixture with your hands until it is ready for use. For a larger batch of hand sanitizer, the World Health Organization trusted source has a formula for a hand sanitizer that uses. These are the formulas they used to make a hand sanitizer. 1. Isopropyl alcohol or ethanol. 2. Hydrogen peroxide. 3. Glycerol. 4. Sterile distilled or boiled cold water. These recipes, including the ones above, are intended for use by professionals with both the expertise and resources to safely make homemade hand sanitizers. Homemade hand sanitizer is only recommended in extreme situations when you're unable to wash your hands for the foreseeable future. If you find this video helpful, then give us a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on my next video soon.